We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a pedicure transformation at home. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bare toenails. There's nothing on them. All nail polish is removed. And I'm going to be taking my Conair foot pedicure spa with massaging bubbles. If you'd like one of these, I'll have the link listed down below for you all. And I will be taking my Listerine and I'm going to add in 2 caps full of this. Now I know a lot of y'all are probably going, why are you adding in Listerine? But right now I'm about to tell you all exactly why you should add Listerine to your foot soaking pedicure. A Listerine foot soak is a type of at-home foot bath. It's primarily used to treat athlete's foot and toenail fungus. People also use Listerine on their feet to help remove dead skin. So there's so many benefits to adding Listerine to your pedicure. So my next little ingredient that I'm adding in is white distilled vinegar. I'm going to be kind of eyeballing it and pouring a little bit in my water, not too much, just the smallest bit. And let me share with you all why you should also add vinegar to your pedicure water. Vinegar can help disinfect the feet. This helps eliminate or reduce a foot odor by getting rid of the bacteria that makes them smell. Before soaking, wash your feet thoroughly with soap and water. Then relax with your feet in a vinegar soak. So vinegar also does wonderful things for the feet, okay? And if you have not tried these two in a pedicure, definitely do it. I promise you, you will be glad that you did. So I will be soaking my feet for 10 to 15 minutes and I'm just going to sit here and max and relax and just wait until this whole soaking process is over. I did set a timer so that I can know exactly when to take them out. So I'm just relaxing, girl, and let me tell you, it is very relaxing, okay? So quick question, which do you prefer? Do you prefer to do your nails at home or go to the nail salon, whether it be your toenails or your fingernails? Let me know down below in the comments section because your girl is curious. Now your girl started doing pedicures because obviously I needed them and I just am scared to go to the nail shop, especially during this time. And not only that, but when you go to the nail shop you already have to worry about things like fungus. So I started doing my nails at home, which I will have a nail playlist and I'm going to link in the cards for you all to check out. But recently my ankles keep swelling up, edema. Because I sit down and I work at my computer for long periods of time and I think that it cuts off my circulation. So I've just been trying to kind of relax myself a bit more and take some time out to pamper myself more than I do. Now this is super duper relaxing and very inexpensive. I will have all the links down below as to where you can purchase each and every single item used in this video. I promise y'all that the total of purchasing all of the stuff for the initial pedicure is probably only about $50 put all together, okay? So it's great, okay? It's a deal and you'll be able to do many pedicures with the Listerine and also with the Conair spa system. Now I am removing one of my feet from the water and I'm just drying it off with a paper towel. I definitely recommend using a towel, but whenever I sit down to do a pedicure, I always forget my towel for whatever reason, okay? It's something wrong with me, alright? But definitely make sure that you have your towel and I'm going to be using my Pedegg to remove all of that skin that came came up, all of that dead skin. So I'm making sure to get around that heel really good, that big toe, okay? And then for the smaller toes, I'm going to be using my drill bits to get that extra skin off there. So yes, you all, but this is just a very simple and easy process. You can most definitely do it at home. I decided to go ahead and put some gloves on because I had just painted my nails red and I didn't want to mess them up. So whoa, goodness gracious, do y'all see all that dead skin? Honey, I'm working real hard on these feet to get rid of that, okay? So soaking my feet brought up a lot of extra dead skin that I wouldn't have otherwise known was there. So I'm taking my drill bit to file off all of that extra dead skin. Now you can most definitely do this with your Pedegg, but I decided to do it with my drill bit to speed up the process a little bit. I will have the drill bit and also the drill that I am using listed down below. And I'm just taking my time and filing off all of that extra yucky, very yucky skin. Okay, so as with your fingernails, your toenails also have a lot of dead skin around them. So what I'm doing is I'm going to start by pushing back my cuticles just so that I can bring some of that dead skin up. That way when it comes to my filing process, it'll be a lot easier to file it off, okay? Y'all do not neglect going around your cuticle and getting rid of that dead skin on your toenails as well. Next up, I'm going to be clipping down my toenails. I have very weak toenails, so even when they do grow out, they're still quite weak. So that is why I started wearing things like acrylic and things like that on my toes, because I was like, honey, I can't hold on to no natural toenails for nothing. But if you already have pretty nice toenails, you can keep them at whatever length you want them at and just work with that, okay? Now I am spraying my foot with alcohol just to clean it off a bit. Then I will be taking my oil. I made this oil in my how to grow long and strong nails video, so you all could check it out. I will link it in the cards for you all. And what I'm going to be doing is applying this on my toes, and I'm just going to shave off that hair. I don't know if it's just me, but you cannot have a pedicure if you have hair left over, okay? So I'm definitely going to be shaving that hair off. So now I'm getting ready to apply my toe separators. I got these from Amazon, and these are reusable toe separators. So today I'm going to be using these, and I will have the link down below as to where you can purchase your very own. So now I am clipping down those false nails that I applied, and I just applied these the same way that you apply regular press-on nails, just with glue. So I will leave the glue that I use listed down below, and I will also leave this nail clipper listed down below as well. Now I'm going to be priming my natural nails, and I'm only going to do this on the big toe since I will be applying a polygel on that toe. Now this is completely optional. I just like to do this because I like to give my bigger toenail a little bit more shape, and also I like to have something on them that makes them a little bit stronger since I just mentioned I have weak toenails, okay? And I'm also going to be dehydrating my natural nails, and I'm going to do this on all of my toenails. Now I'm doing that same priming and dehydrating process on my other foot. It is now polygel time. I will leave a link down below as to where you all can purchase your very own polygel. But what I'm doing is pretty much just putting a glob of this on my big toe, and I'm using alcohol and a brush to smooth it out. I will also have this brush that I'm using listed down below. It is by Makartt, and all that you do is smooth this out until it's all over your entire nail, and pretty much just shape it how you want to after the fact. And after you have it applied over your whole entire toenail, I'm going to cure this in my UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then after it's done curing, spray it with alcohol and wipe off the tacky layer.
Smile.
So this is the base coat that I will be using, and you could use any base coat of your choice. And I'm just going to be applying this to all of my toenails.
It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Ace your kingdom and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time.
So I will be painting my toenails white. You could use any color that you'd like to use. This one is by Beetles. I will leave it listed down below. This is my favorite gel nail polish brand from Amazon because their polishes are so creamy and they go on so smoothly. So I'm just going to apply 2 layers of this to all of my toenails. I'm going to cure and then I'm going to apply my top coat. And this is the final results for my pedicure. I hope that you all enjoyed day 2 of the Mattimas, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Make sure that you turn those post notifications on as well. And I'm not going to leave y'all hanging. Before I leave out of here, let me share with you all my Glam Star of the Day. I want to thank you so much for your lovely comment, and if you're looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Please make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I thank you all so much for your lovely comments. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video.
Sleigh bells ringing,